Hi friends, this is 5 Minutes YouTube channel. Here is Oneplus Nord CE to Lite 5G smartphone. In this video, you will learn how you can set mobile hotspot or personal hotspot in your phone Oneplus Nord CE to Lite 5G. First, go to the settings of your phone. Go to settings here and click on connection and sharing and click on personal hotspot and click over personal hotspot, and here you can change some settings. Click on hotspot settings and here you can change the device name. By default it is as OnePlus Nord CE to Lite 5G. You can change it to anything. So here I just completely delete it and I just write Mickey. And in security you can select none. If you select none, there will be no security. That is anyone can just connect to your hotspot without password. So set a password of security type, and minimum password should be 8 characters. So for simple demo I just type 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8. In AP band you can select from the available options. Two options are available. By default 2.0 GHz band is available, and another one is available 5 GHz band. You can select from any of these two, and this should be turned on. Visible to other devices should be turned on, and click on tick mark finally. In connection management you can set number of connections to be allowed to your device. Click on maximum allowed connections and here you can set number of connections. For example, if you want to allow only 5 devices to be connected, just select 5. Or if you want to allow just one device and no more than one device to be connected, just select 1. And click on data restriction. Here you can set the data to be shared from your device to other device. Here from 10 MB to unlimitedly you can set. Click on unrestricted, so data will be shared unlimitedly. You can also select in between these 1 GB or 500 MB, etc. And next one is automatically turn off personal hotspot. That is, when no device are connected to your device for about 10 minutes, automatically personal hotspot will be turned off. So it is better to use this feature to be turned on, because if there is no connection, then battery charge will be going off, and it's no meaning that your hotspot is turned on. So automatically after 10 minutes of inactivity of other devices, just your device personal hotspot will be turned off. So it is better to have this feature is turned on. And now bring another device and connect. Here I have Vivo V21e 5G smartphone. In this phone, just go to notification area and turn on Wi-Fi, and you will receive this signal from your phone. That is hotspot signal. Here Mickey is the hotspot signal. Just click that and supply the password that you set in Mickey. 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 is the password. And click on connect, and it will be connected. Just wait. Yes, connected to device. And if you have internet in your phone OnePlus Nord CE to Lite 5G, then it can be shared here too. Just check it. I go to Amazon, and yes, it's working. So in this way you can easily set mobile hotspot and share it to other device. Now you can see the incoming connection in your phone. Just go to the notification area, and here you will see hotspot, just long press it and click on connection management, and here you are seeing V2055. This is the connected device. Here itself you can disconnect and block. If you don't want this device to be connected to your device, then you can just block here, disconnect and block, otherwise cancel it. That's all friends, thanks for watching, bye.